To show you how to change the database view, let's add some columns. A date column for the calendar view and a status column for the board view. Click on plus, select the status column, tap on plus once more and select the date column. OK, let's change the status, it's in progress and it's done. And add the date, today, tomorrow and after tomorrow. OK. After that, click on three dots to edit view layout, select the layout and change it to board view, for example. We see the same database displayed in Kanban board format. In order not to switch between views, we can create a new view. Click on board view, select duplicate view, rename it to calendar, for example, and change layout to calendar view. These are our tasks presented in calendar form. We can open any of these tasks as a page and fill it with content. Click on Task. Here we can also create a new property for the database. Click on Add a property, select the type of column, rename it, and fill it with content. For example, low, midi, and high. We can change the color of high priority, it will be the red color, OK, and add any content. For example, image, I choose image library, for example, bed. OK, click on the card name and press enter and add a description for the card. OK, let's make it bigger. That's good. Now we have the content on the card and we can move on to the next view, the gallery view. Click on a place outside the card, click on the calendar view, duplicate view and rename it to gallery. After that, click on layout and select the gallery view. To make new tasks higher, we can apply sorting. Sort by date and descending date. That's good. If you don't want to enter the date into your database, you can use the automatic time properties. Click on three dots, click on properties. We can show text, status and other properties. And we can create new property. Click on plus and select created time, return and last edited time. OK, now we can sort by the time the card was created or modified. Move it up or move it up. That's good. To make sure you understand the difference between a database and a view, let's create another view. To do this, open the dashboard page and here press the slash, write database and select, for example, table view. After that, search an existing test database. Write test and select the test database. We can choose an existing view or we can create new empty view. It's a table view and as you can see, this is the same table that was at the beginning. It also has new columns. We can hide unnecessary columns, hide in view and hide in view. We can swap columns by dragging them and the Relax task card has new content. Open it. This is our simulator for the task. And let's say we don't need all the tasks on the dashboard, but only tasks with high priority. Click on Filter, select the priority column and check the high priority. That's good. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, see you next time.